Top 5 Best Folding Exercise Bike. Best products for your lifestyle, handpicked for you. Number 5. pooboo Folding Exercise Bike, 8-level resistance, 300 lb capacity. This bike doesn't just save space, it transforms your home workout. Compact yet powerful, the pooboo Folding Exercise Bike delivers studio-grade performance in a sleek, foldable design. Perfect for busy professionals, apartment dwellers, or anyone craving efficient cardio without clutter. Unlike bulky competitors, it features a smooth 6.6 lb flywheel and whisper-quiet magnetic resistance with 8 precise levels, so you ramp up intensity without waking the neighbors. The reinforced steel frame supports up to 300 pounds, while the ergonomic backrest cushion adds comfort during longer sessions. Slide it under your bed or tuck it in a closet when done, no disassembly needed. While it's not built for high-speed sprints like a spin bike, it excels at consistent, low-impact conditioning that builds endurance and burns calories. For smart, space-conscious fitness that fits your life, not the other way around, this is your ride. Number 4. ProForm 2.5 HP Incline Walking Pad Treadmill. This treadmill doesn't just move, it elevates. Literally. With a powerful 2.5 HP motor and adjustable incline, it transforms your walk into a real calorie-burning workout, right under your desk or in your living room. Perfect for busy professionals, remote workers, or anyone craving movement without sacrificing space. Unlike bulky treadmills, this 3-in-1 design folds flat, tucks under furniture, and glides on wheels, ideal for small apartments. The remote control lets you adjust speed and incline effortlessly, while the 350-pound capacity ensures stability for all body types. Compare that to flimsy underdesk models that wobble or lack power. This one delivers gym-grade performance in stealth mode. You'll stay active during Zoom calls, burn extra calories while watching TV, and reclaim your health without stepping outside. Just note, it's built for walking and light jogging, not sprinting. But for consistent, low-impact movement that fits your life? Game changer. Number 3. YOSUDA 5-in-1 Foldable Exercise Bike with Magnetic Resistance. This isn't just another flimsy exercise bike, it's a full home gym revolution in one sleek, foldable frame. Perfect for busy professionals, fitness newcomers, or anyone short on space, the YOSUDA 5-in-1 delivers studio-grade performance at home. With a robust 6.6-pound flywheel and 16 levels of whisper-quiet magnetic resistance, it outperforms bulkier models that cost twice as much. The reinforced steel frame supports up to 380 pounds, while the ergonomic back support cushion transforms workouts from taxing to truly sustainable. Need versatility? Switch between upright, recumbent, and even arm training modes effortlessly. And when you're done? Fold it flat in seconds. Sure, assembly takes about 30 minutes, and the seat may feel firm initially, but that's a small trade for durability that lasts. This bike doesn't just save space, it elevates your entire wellness journey. Ready to ride smarter, not harder? Number 2. Pleny Folding Exercise Bike, 5-in-1 Home Stationary Cycling Machine. This isn't just another flimsy spin bike, it's a full home gym revolution in one sleek, foldable frame. Perfect for busy professionals, fitness newbies, or anyone short on space, the Pleny Folding Exercise Bike delivers studio-grade intensity with a robust 6.6 lb flywheel and a rock-solid 330 pounds weight capacity. Unlike cheaper models that wobble or lack support, Pleny includes a plush backrest cushion and 5 versatile workout modes, so you can cycle, row, or strength train without switching gear. Transition between exercises seamlessly using the intuitive console. Just tap the up or down arrows to shift programs. Whether you're squeezing in a morning HIIT session or a low-impact evening ride, this bike adapts. It even folds compactly for storage. Sure, assembly takes about 30 minutes, and the seat may feel firm at first, but that's the trade-off for serious durability. For a premium, space-smart workout that actually delivers results? Pleny nails it. Number 1. BARWING 5-in-1 Foldable Exercise Bike for Seniors. This isn't just another flimsy spin bike, it's a full-body fitness command center built for real life. Perfect for seniors, busy parents, or anyone craving a powerful home workout without the clutter. The BARWING stationary bike delivers 5-in-1 versatility, upright cycling, recumbent mode, arm training, core engagement, and compact storage, all in one sleek frame. With a rock-solid 350-pound capacity and 𝗕𝗂𝗴𝗏𝗃 level magnetic resistance, it outperforms bulkier models while saving space. Adjust the padded seat and backrest for personalized comfort that keeps you riding longer. Feel stronger, steadier, and more energized from day one. While assembly takes a bit of time and the console isn't Bluetooth enabled, the durability, adaptability, and smooth ride more than compensate. Transform your living room into a wellness hub, without sacrificing style or space. Your health journey starts here. Thanks for watching Best Folding Exercise Bike. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.